is a little reboot for your quad, for your hip flexor, through your feet. Right, so it's about waking up the navicular and the cuneiform, basically the middle arch of the foot, guys. And the way to get to it is to have a yoga mat or something comfortable that you can place this foot on. What you don't want to do is you don't want to crush the toes. So you're trying to get the contact to be behind the toe joints, like so. Then the pelvis. It's always coming back to the pelvis, isn't it? So I want you to tuck that up, get your posture exactly how you want it. Spine nice and tall. Now what I'm doing with my foot, I'm not pushing straight down. I'm kind of pushing forward like I'm about to kick something. So the pressure's coming through the front of the foot there. And then holding the posture, keeping, in the first instance, direct pressure, watching the knees not drifting in or out. Posture that I want, I bend the other knee, and that increases the tension and stretch across the cuneiform in this one. And then for the navicular, and cuneiform's going to help with this quad muscle, any knee tension, any patella issues. To get to the hip flexor, you want to turn the knee out. So the foot, the pressure's coming more through the inside of the foot into that navicular there. So just a little turn of the knee. Everything else stays the same. Pelvis nice and neutral, posture tall, knee out, bend forward, in and out. You should just feel a lovely little release there. And a good way to know that you've done that is you walk away and this leg feels lighter. This hip flexor, the quad, the tension's completely different. So if you're going to do it in a little flow, get your foot there, pelvis set, knee straight ahead, pushing through the middle of the foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knee out. Everything else stays the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to go to the next level, it's drawing a circle just with the midfoot, guys. So I'm just doing that. Trying to keep everything else the same. Knee straight ahead, change direction. Really powerful, unlocking the arch of the foot across here, changing the neurology of your femur and your rec fem and your hip flexor. Get stuck in.